Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
But then say you are what, 100, oh, what, 104 year old? Wow. 104. And you still walking up and down, coming into the farm and all them things there? Eh? So what are you doing at the farm now, mommy?
You know, walk up and look at
At you. Because you're used to your walking, so.
plant the bean and
Thing.
the gungo. I got gungo down to plant right along the fence.
You got gungo for plant?
Yes, they plant me little gungo.
Wow.
And they plant the bean. And the pumpkin.
104 year old and you plant gungo, bean and pumpkin. Come on, mommy, man. At time for you to sit down and relax now, man.
Yes, we sit down. Me no do it every day, you know.
Oh.
Today now when me go a piece of place up at top there.
You go up a piece of place up at top when?
Straight up, then you go to the river.
You
And
serious?
you go up the hill.
Eh.
We plant peas, gungo peas. When the time comes, we plant peas, we plant little peas. And we
Wow.
plant all pumpkin, and then we plant every little thing.
Back in the days?
Yes.
Okay. So it's still in you right now to do your farming team. So you're in your pine walk and now look for your pine and do everything. 104 year old. Wow. Still going. Hair white and pretty. Eh?
Yes.
Nice meeting you, Anders, man. Nice meeting you. You know?
Auntie Des. Strong. 104 years old. What a blessed bloodline, man. Like how much are we going to really and truly get to mark such a milestone? 104 years of age. The fertilizer in them the food there. You see? Viewers and subscribers, me see something like this, me can't pass it. Me have to really and truly show my viewers and subscribers something like this. This is an incredible thing. 104 years of age. Eh? No, sir. And to be honest, me try to do the research really and truly, you know. Need to find out, like, the parish and them thing there. So me I say, yeah, but really and truly, me not confirm that as yet. But one thing for sure, she is a person of Jamaica, you know. A product of Jamaica itself, you know. And she's not the first person from Jamaica to reach such an age like that, you know, in a recent times or we are talking about. Simply because one of the time, I know so me see where them say somebody from Jamaica was the world's oldest person, like 107 or something like that. But memory, you know, memory is a thing, so I don't really straight remember everything, you know. But I know so she's not the first person in recent times within the 2000 margin, yeah, for reach over the 100 mark like that. But you know, you have to give thanks, as I say. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, STroNg, just bring these things to you, keep you up to date and posted. You understand? So let me know what you think, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? My name is STroNg. Want to big up on yourself.